Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make a turkey salad club. So we're gonna boil the turkey breast from scratch, and I'm gonna show you that every step of the way. Okay? All right. So let me adjust the camera. Let's get started. Okay, so here I have the turkey breast meat, and I bought a roast that was tied up, and I cut it into 3 sections. So this is another section. This section costs $3. The whole thing costs $9. Okay, so we're gonna boil it. I'm gonna put it in this pot here. Let me adjust the camera to the pot. There we go. So we're going to boil it in the pot until it gets to 165, the temperature 165. And then I'll show you how we're going to make the turkey salad from that point, okay? Alright, so I'm going to put water in up to here. I'm going to boil it, and I'll see you back when I have it all boiled and ready to process, okay? Alright, be back. Okay, so our turkey breast is all done. I boiled it on the stove with just water and salt. Okay, so here's the end results. I took it out. It's cool now. It cooked about, I'd say, 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay. So now we're going to process it in the Ninja. If you don't have a Ninja, you can use a food processor. You don't have a food processor, you can just cut it up with a knife, okay? Alright, and cut it kind of fine. Alright, so now we're going to put it in the Ninja. And this was about 1.5 pounds, but you can use less if you want to make less. It's up to you. Okay? Alright. So now we're going to lock it down. And let's go with, oh, I need the salt and pepper on it. Okay, I'm going to add sea salt. Some black pepper. Okay. Now we're going to lock it down, and let's go with, well, let's go with puree for a moment. I'm just going to stir it up. Let's take a look. Okay, I have some chunks on the top that have not broken down. So I'm going to put those back in. Okay, so you can see these did not break down, so I'm going to put them back in. Anything that didn't break down. Okay. Okay, all done. Yes, all done. I'm just gonna clean it out of here. Okay. So now you can add whatever you like to yours. If you want to add onions or pickles, or in my case I like relish. Okay, it's up to you. You can add a little garlic if you want to get the garlic benefit. I'm going 1, 2, 3 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of sweet relish. Okay, let me get another spoon. Now, I like Hellmann's mayonnaise. This is my favorite. Okay, so if you want to know what Grandma Ray used, she used Hellmann's. Hellmann's is more money, but I like the flavor, the creaminess of Hellmann's. Okay, so we have the relish, the mayonnaise, and the salt and pepper in there. Let's mix this up, and then we're going to take a taste. You know, you don't always have to cook a hot meal. Sometimes you can have a sandwich, or maybe you want to make a sub, or in this case, turkey salad. Okay, let me taste that. See what we're missing. I'm missing some salt and pepper. So I'm putting some more sea salt. You know, seasonings is up to you. It's your choice how much you want to put in terms of the seasoning. More pepper. Let me let you take a look at that. Turkey salad. 20-25 minutes on the stove to boil. Put it in a Ninja, or cut it up, or put it in the food processor, and you have turkey salad. How about that? Now if you want onions in here, or what else could you put in there? Celery. Okay, if you don't have fresh celery, you can use celery seeds or celery salt. Okay, it's a variety of things that you can add to this. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna cut up my tomatoes and get my tomatoes and lettuce together. I'm gonna toast my bread because we're making a turkey club, right? Alright, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that our turkey salad is done, we're gonna now make our club sandwich. So I have 3 pieces of toasted bread. If you don't want your bread toasted, you don't have to. You can just use regular bread, whether it's white bread or wheat bread. Alright, so now I'm gonna put mayonnaise on 2 sides first. Not 2 sides, on 2 pieces of bread first. Okay, so I have it on 2 pieces. Now I'm going to put the turkey salad. no certain amount, it's up to you. I will tell you, the more you put on it, it might get a little messy, so you might want to think about that. Okay, so let me show you how much I put on. I put 2 tablespoons full, and this is what it looks like, okay? So now I'm going to put some tomatoes on there. Okay, I think 2 is plenty. And gonna put, and you can do it any kind of way you want. I could have put the bread just right on the turkey salad and then the tomatoes and lettuce on the top, or whatever way you want, okay? It's your design, alright? So okay, so I put the second piece of bread on top of the turkey salad and tomatoes, and now I'm gonna put mayonnaise on this top piece. So now, as you can see, this middle bread, I have mayonnaise on the bottom and on the top, okay? Okay. And now we're going to put our lettuce on. You can also add cheese if you like cheese. Okay. And now I'm going to put mayonnaise on this last piece of bread, and I'm going to turn it down, okay? Okay, and let me put that on a clean plate for you to see. Okay, and well, I need to cut it, so let me see what knife I'm going to use. Okay, let me try this one. Now, I think I need a wider one. Ah! I'm debating on myself. Okay, I want this one. It has a serrated edge. Now a club, you cut twice. So you see, I'm cutting it in an angle first, right? This way first, and now I'm going to cut it this way, okay? Try holding it so that it doesn't fall apart on you. There we go. Alright, and now I want to put some potato chips on that. A club is usually served with potato chips. Okay. Let me let you get a look at that. There you go. Turkey club. How about that? Let me get in the picture. A turkey club. You like that? Huh? Yes. Nice, huh? Okay, so remember, you can use any type of meat you like. You may want to just buy maybe ham or turkey from the deli with cheese. You could do the same thing. You just put using 3 slices of bread and you do it the same process, okay? Okay, so I have some links below Please check out the links, and thank you for sharing and caring. It's wonderful that you do that. I love you for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me give the word of the day. The word of the day is, it seems like everything in the grocery store is going up these days. It seems like it's only going up by pennies, or maybe a quarter here or 50 cents more there. But nevertheless, it's all going up. And when you get to the register, you know, what you used to pay, you're now paying more. So be mindful of that and make your selections accordingly. So for instance, let's say you usually get your favorite dessert. Maybe your favorite dessert costs $6. Well, you might want to get a dessert that costs $3, right? Because you got to make up for the difference that they've raised food up on you when you get to the register. So you do the same thing that they did. The grocery store raised their costs to cover the bottom line, and now you have to decrease what you get to make sure that you can pay your bottom line. Okay? That's the word of the day. Consume your money, cut down, and save on the costs. Okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy that turkey club with potato chips, will you? Bye-bye.